The city's coming closer, the stadium's in sight. Grass beneath the sunlight, trees swaying left and right. Paths that weave through silence, benches lined with peace. In the open air we wander, find a calm release. Stands begin to rumble, fans begin to cheer. Footsteps on the gravel, laughter drawing near. Children chase the echoes, kites above the trees. In the rhythm of the meadow, I let my spirit breathe. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Whispers through the branches, secrets in the shade. Where playgrounds meet the sunrise, memories are made. Echoes of the chanting, moments bold and bright. We're watchers of the greenery, soaring into light. From goalposts to gazebos, scenes both wild and mild. A canvas made of clover, of wonder growing wild. Every shadow shelters peace, each breeze another song. We capture living stories as the drone moves on. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we
still, where metal veins cut through the hill. No voices rise, no banners fly, yet something burns beneath the sky. The marks of hands, the tools of might, shape walls that pierce the newborn light. The past still breathes beneath our feet, its echo cold, its rhythm sweet. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone. We build the ground we stand upon. This earth remembers every fall, each cry that shook the iron wall. From sweat and dust a vow is born, to rise again, remade, reborn. No crowd yet roars, no drums resound, but power hums beneath the ground. The steel will sing, the fire will call, the heart of men will build it all. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone.
lost now. I'm lost now.